What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we have another great unboxing for you, so it's going to be exciting to see what's inside this one. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. On to the unboxing itself. Let's find out what's in this guy. It's a pretty big box, so we'll open it here, and we'll get a nice little unboxing there. I realized I did so much work with the unboxing table and all that stuff. Do we really need an unboxing table when you can see me just open the box? Anyway, what is in here? An LED desk lamp. Oh, and look at, so this is actually a transformable desk mount. So what this will do is, speaking of, this is actually perfect. So I had an entirely separate area set up for unboxings, and it was always a pain to get my lighting set up. And I was like, I just want to do an unboxing here on my desk and just have it work. This actually mounts just like your camera's mounted, just like my microphone is mounted. It mounts above your monitors and creates an overlay with lighting. And you can see I have some shadowing happening here. So this is actually perfect timing to actually fix that. And now we can have a much better unboxing experience right here on my desk with all the appropriate lighting and everything built in, and not having to move anything around, setting up ring lights or any of that good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so we do have a bit of plastic over here, so I'll just go ahead and open that. And we have a plastic housing or casing. Looks like I got everything. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. We start off with the user manual. We can see that it has a touch control panel where we can not only turn on and off the light, but we can also change the color temperature between 3000 and 6500 K. And we can also change the brightness from 20% to 100% or off, obviously. So 0 to 100 really. And then you can also set up the ambient light sensor or turn on or off the surrounding lights as well. So lots of customizability in this one. You can see that this is how it sets up and mounts to your desk. Let's take a look at some more of the accessories in here. So I'll open this up, and we have a power plug. So this powers our light. I'm a little surprised it's not USB, but at the same time, because there are like 4 lights in here, it makes sense that it would need a steady current. You also don't want to take any load off of your computer either. But let's pull out the light itself. All right, so here it goes. Ooh. So I'm going to take this protective sheet out, and we're going to open it up like this. This is much larger than I thought. And then watch this. Bam. Bam. It's like I gotta back up. So look how large that is. It's got a light bar over here. It's got a very long light bar here and a light bar here. So you can adjust these as needed. So you can put them up or down or at any angle. And then of course you have your accessible buttons right here up front. It turns left and right as well, and moves up and down. Lots of articulation in this mount, so it's great for lighting in general. Let's go ahead and set this up somewhere. I think I'll set it up right here and just plug it in so you guys can see it, and we'll go from there. So we've got different color modes. We can see it's changing colors here, and we also have different brightnesses. You can see that makes a much larger difference. And of course you can close these up. You can even put them up so it creates some lighting above you as well. This is a very, very versatile setup that you can use for arts. You can use it for crafts or even tech stuff like unboxing and reviews, like I'll probably use. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot. One thing I noticed is, where are the wires? The wire, thoughtfully, is not in the top unit. It's at the bottom of the arm. That means it makes it very, very easy to hide it away and keep a clean setup. All right, that's it for this one. Again, this is the Micomlan transformable desk lamp with swing arm. and I'll put a link to it in the description so you can pick that up from Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much to Micomlan for sending this out, and I'm looking forward to putting some use into it. And as always, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below, and have a good one. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,